We interrupt this broadcast to bring you an emergency announcement. My friends, my comrades in arms, men and women of the fire service, pray lend me your ears this day, for we stand upon the threshold of a most welcome turning of the tide. After long years spent dutifully bearing burdens not wholly our own, the hour has come when the ambulance shall depart our halls, and we at long last shall be restored to our singular and noble calling. For too long have we been asked to divide our strength, to stretch our ranks thin, to don the mantle of another trade while still upholding the proud standard of our own. We bore it without complaint, as is our custom. We answered each call, rendered aid where aid was needed, and did so with dignity befitting this uniform. But hear me now. A fire brigade is forged for fire. We were not born of timidity nor raised in the shadow of hesitation. We were shaped by smoke and heat, by courage and kinship. Ours is the craft of storming through the darkness, of turning chaos into order, of meeting flame with resolve and saying, "Not this night." And so let it be known, here and throughout the realm, this department returns to its rightful purpose. No longer shall our engines serve as substitutes for ambulances. No longer shall our firefighters be asked to bear the weight of two trades when one alone commands the whole body and spirit. Do not mistake me. Those who serve upon the ambulances are brethren as well, honorable and steadfast. We wish them every fortune, but we must not dilute the essence of our own craft, nor scatter our focus upon paths not our own. Today, my comrades, we reclaim our identity. We return to the work that summons the bravest among us, the defense of life and property against the merciless hand of fire. We return to the drills, the discipline, the fellowship that makes a crew, not merely a collection of individuals, but a single heartbeat moving in unison. We return to the fireground as firefighters, not as catch-all responders, not as stand-ins, but as specialists, artisans of the flame. Let this moment stiffen your spines and lift your heads high. Let this day remind you why you first swore the oath, why you first stepped across the threshold of the firehouse, why you placed on your shoulders the weight of 1,000 expectations, because you were called to this craft and no other. Raise your voices, raise your spirits, for today marks not a retreat, but a restoration, not a lessening, but a strengthening, not the end of duty, but the beginning of a renewed one. And as we march forward unencumbered, undivided, and unwavering, let every bell that rings and every alarm that sounds be greeted by the proud answer of a brigade, returned to its truest form. Firefighters we are. Firefighters we remain. Firefighters we shall forever be. Godspeed and onward.